Historical Cookery, where we stir a little history into every bite. Today we're diving into the gooey tale of macaroni and cheese. The earliest known recipe showed up in 14th century Italy in a manuscript called Liber de Cookery. But long before Jefferson set a fork to it, cooks in England were making macaroons, hand-rolled pasta layered with butter and cheese, first written down in 1390. In Naples, 14th century cookbooks describe pasta baked with cheese into bubbling years. That heritage took on a life of its own, baked with a crispy crown or stirred silky on the stovetop. However you make it, the roots run deep thanks to black cooks who shaped its story. Today it's a staple at cookouts, weeknight dinners, and holiday tables alike. America